we are going to do is a box of May, and we have this, and we have a lot of things actually. So it came with this and then other stuff. Here's a sticker. It's another cool sticker. Alright, so the first thing on our menu is King Art Real Brush Pen set of 4. So it's this retails $6.99, and this is the Artsnacks exclusive. So this is it right here. Let me do it this way. Cool packaging. I love it, and I love markers. And there are brush tip. So let's see. It says 4 rich colors, superior blendability, flexible, tapered point tip, fine, medium, and bold strokes. So the colors that we received today are light blue, yellow, dark green, and a light green. This is the packaging. Look, it's really nice. I actually really like this. Alright, so let's read about it. So it says here, we specifically curated this pack of King Art real brush pens, such as for the Artsnackers. There's a vibrant watercolor pen, so it's watercolor, acts like a brush, moving effortlessly across the paper to create thin or thick lines with its tapered nylon brush tip. The vibrant color is a light, fast, and will not streak, bleed, or smudge. So that's a good thing. Use this pen with water to achieve delicate watercolor effects. Oh, okay. So that is pretty cool. So I'm definitely keeping these because I like anything watercolor. Here are the swatches for the marker, the watercolor marker. So you see, you definitely need some water when you work with these markers, because if you just use them like this, it has like, you see, like it's very rough looking. It doesn't slide smoothly, so you definitely need to add some water to it. And if you did see my watercolor, I do have a lot of watercolor markers, and I did do reviews on them, so it's basically the same concept as those. So I'm probably gonna give these away because I do have a lot of the color a lot of the marker watercolor. So the next thing on our list is Tombow color pencil, and this one retails for $2.39. So is it this one? Yes, it is. So it's like this, very chic looking, like it has nothing on the other than this. It's like a silver, but yeah, it didn't come sharpened, but I don't want to sharpen it. But it looks like it's in the color purple. So let's read about it. So this one retails for $2.39. Go them out. It says, from this soft lead to this elegant enamel finish, the Tombow colored pencil is beautifully crafted for fine line, illustration, or doodling. It's a produce rich, creamy color that can be easily layered without wax built up. So the name of this pencil is called Jitsen. I don't know. But it's a Japanese expression for a color in the encyclopedia. Full set of these pencils are available in stylus valued for Tombow. So if you guys are interested, I'm not going to do a swatch, unfortunately, because it didn't come ready for use. So the next one is the Higgins India ink pump marker, 2mm chiseled nib. This one retails for $11.30. Like, interesting. It's like a ruler on the side. Well, because it tells you it's full, so I'm guessing you could reuse it. I'm guessing you could reuse it. This is what it looks like. This is the staff's favorite. The pump marker lays down artist grade pigment ink with ease and control, idle on paper and boards. This tool has a water resistant matte finish. It lasts even 7 times longer than the most permanent markers. Thanks to its refillable body, just remove the tip and add more Higgins ink. Be sure to shake through before use. Oh, okay, so that's cool. It's probably the same thing where you activate it, you push down, and then you just shake it for the ink to come down. I'm not going to use this now because I don't need it. And I'm going to keep that piece. The next one is the Marabou Aqua Pen Graphite. Let's see. So this is it right here. I think I have a few of these. But yeah, it comes with the fine point, and then it should come with the brush. Yes, it does. So let's talk about this one. So I think I did a review on these. It says wet your palette with the Marabou Aqua Pen graphics. This felt tip watercolor pen is dual-ended, featuring a fine contour tip and a large brush tip. The water-based pigment ink delivers bright color, can be fanned out to be a wet brush look. Warning, be sure to never dip these pencils directly in water. On here, this is the color. You can add water to that. Just don't dip the whole marker. And the last thing on our list is the Copic Multiliner. This one retails for $3.99. I have a few of these. I do like them. I go definitely with Copic all the time. And yeah, so I might give this one away if I don't have any. But it's always like a nice strong black, which I totally recommend. And so let's talk about this here. So this creates clean, precise drawings with the Copic Multiliner. This pen features a sturdy nib and smooth ink flow. It says pigment-based ink is waterproof and Copic-proof when drying, meaning it will not bleed when color over the marker. So that's one of the big ideal markers that I like to use. Copic is because when you use another marker over it, it will not bleed or anything like that. So this is definitely a number one pick of mine, which I'm probably going to keep. Let me check if I do have this same nib. This is a 0.5. Can you see? 0.5. If I don't have it, I will add it to them. So this is what we have for the box of May. A lot. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So that's awesome for the box of May. Truly happy about this. Alright, so the next month we're going to be doing is the box of June. So we have our menu and we have a few things. So I'm just going to open this. The sticker is this one. Pretty cool, dark blue. Pretty nice little design. So the first thing on our menu is called Rembrandt Soft Pastel Set of 5. This retails for $9.95. So this is it right here. I actually have something like this. I bought and I did give it away. But this is a gray tone, light grays. And so let's read about it. So this one retails for $9.95. It says Rembrandt Soft Pastels have been the most commonly used pastels in the world for many years. This set of 5 compatible hue features intense pure color and the highest degree of light. Their pastels have been velvety, soft, perfect for layering and techniques. So that's pretty nice. I'm not going to open this because I'm probably going to give this away, but we do have a variety of colors on my other review, but this is really nice. And they're very soft, like very creamy, and that's one thing I like about them. But I don't use it. I usually just go for acrylic or watercolor, so I never really use this on a project, but I do recommend it though. So the next thing is the Zebra Sensation Graphics Technical Pencil. So this one retails for $6.85. So if you guys are new to my channel, I do love lead pencils. Anything that clicks, that has the cute little erasure on the top, I usually keep because I love lead pencils. I don't like, you know, just using the sharpener too much. But this is a cool one here. You can change whatever lead type you're using. You can change it to like a different thing here. So it says 2B, B, H, F, H, 2H, 3H, 4H, 2B, and then back to the beginning B. So you can technically put so many different type of lead in here, like the grade. So let's read about this. Let's see. It says with this pencil you can expect precision, performance, and comfort. this tool is ideal for sketching and detail technique drawing. So the next thing is called the Royal Langnickel Artist Chamois. Chamois. Let's see. So is it this one? Oh, here it is. Oh, I never had this. So this is what I got in here. Very interesting. I don't even know what it is. So it says blend your new pastels with this royal. Oh, I got it. So I do have something like this, but it's in a different color. Maybe it's like in a new texture. I'm not sure. But I do have something like this. I do use it for charcoal or any pastels. It's really soft. Yes, same thing. So let me read. So it says here it's a natural soft, pliable and absorbent. You will find this leather can blend more smoothly than your fingers. So obviously if you're using charcoal, you know, you use your fingers. Pastels, you use your fingers. But if you want to be in a neater way and if you want to blend in a better way, definitely get this. It said it won't leave any smudges, marks behind on your artwork. Hand wash, you can wash it, and hang dry. So that's pretty cool. It's a reusable. I wish I can show you the other one that I have, but it's like a pale yellow, something like this, but it could be like a different grade, so I'm not sure. But definitely would recommend this. I worked with something like this before, so I'm not gonna show you how to use it. But if you do get the Rembrandt, you can actually combine these together and use them with full techniques. So the next thing is the Krita Color Mega Color Pencil. This is retails for $2.65, and this is a new product. So which one is it? Oh, this one. Right, color pencil. Yeah, it says so this is what it looks like. It's a color pencil. It's really big compared to other color pencils. This one is in the olive green color. This oversized, highly pigmented pencil can easily cover large areas in your artwork, and it's extra thick, break resistant core lasts 3 times longer than a regular pencil. Alright, so that's what it's basically saying. It lasts longer because of the size and probably the size of the lead that's inside, so it'll last longer than a regular pencil. Probably gonna give this away because I don't really need it. The next thing is going to, and the last thing is going to be the Edding 1200 metallic color pen. So this one retails for $2.60. This is the staff favorite. So this is a metallic pen. I did a review for metallic markers, and so far I did not find something that I really like. Some are good, some aren't. So let's see this one. I'm excited to actually check it out. It says the glamorous and versatile Edding 1200 metallic pen will be added some shine to your artwork. It is iridescent watercolor ink. It extremely vibrant and works well on both dark and light paper surfaces. The soft round nib consistently delivers high opaque light fast color. So I have white paper here, so I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. But this is what the color looks like here. I don't see the metallic, but let's check it out. So alright, so I do see some metallic, but not totally metallic. I'm pretty sure it would look better on black paper. But this is what it looks like. So it's not really, I do have a lot of other metallic pencils, and I have the same color actually, so it's pretty cool. So this is what the box of June contains. Pretty much a lot of goodies. This I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items again, guys. 5 items. Not bad for the box of May. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is your girl Mizuki, and I am out.